We're back down here in Silverhill. Got the sawmill pulled down here and set up, and we've been cutting with it. Y'all see these logs that we're cutting? That's the base plate to put more lumber on. And we got the big sky lift here to pick the stuff up with. So we still got a parcel of logs over here. Big bunch of logs there to be cut and made into lumber. But we had to cut a base plate to put them on. You see that? There and there. And we got to put one more out there. And then we can run some boards across them and stack the lumber on it as we cut it. Y'all see some of the lumber that we've cut right there? That whole thing that's covered up there is stacked full of lumber that we have made from these logs. And we're fixing to get started cutting some more of them. More boards. Vince wants a lot of boards. We've got the logs here to do it with. We had to do some cleaning up whenever we first come down here. So we come down here, brought the sawmill down here yesterday, set it up this morning. We're getting it done. We're getting it done. I appreciate everybody watching. Bye, everybody.